Imagine getting $113 million for just an idea. This isn't a lottery ticket, it's a blueprint for how insane value is being created in AI right now, and who gets to cash in. Here's what really happened. We're decoding how French startup Mistral AI, founded by an ex-DeepMind researcher, got a $250 million valuation with 0 customers and not a single line of code. But the real story isn't the money. It's the one strategic bet they made that has OpenAI and Google scrambling. It all started with 3 researchers in Paris.
Okay, so let's get the numbers straight, because they are staggering. In mid-2023, a 4-week-old French company called Mistral AI raises a €105 million seed round. That's about $113 million.
For a 4-week-old company, what did they have? A revolutionary new office coffee machine?
They had nothing. No product, no customers, not even a website. Just a pitch deck and 3 founders. But that round valued their brand new, non-existent company at €240 million, or roughly $260 million.
That is insane. A $250 million valuation for a PowerPoint presentation. Who are these founders?
This is the key. The CEO, Arthur Mensch, was a senior researcher at Google's DeepMind. His co-founders, Timothy Lacroix and Guillaume Lampel, came from Meta's fundamental AI research lab in Paris.
So, this wasn't a bet on a product. It was a bet on the people. But even for an all-star team, that's a historic amount of money for a seed round. What was in that pitch deck that made investors write those checks?
The pitch was a direct counterattack on the current AI giants. While OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic were building bigger and more secretive, closed models, Mistral promised the opposite.
To be open? But isn't the secret algorithm the entire value? Why would you give it away?
Exactly the question everyone asked. Their bet was that an open source model, one where the code is public and anyone can download and modify it, would create a bigger ecosystem. Businesses are terrified of being locked into OpenAI's or Google's expensive proprietary systems. They can shut you off, change the prices, or use your data.
Okay, so Mistral told them, use our model instead. You can run it on your own servers, control your own data, and it's free to get started. It's a classic disruption play.
Precisely. They weren't selling a better model. They were selling freedom and control. To a market feeling increasingly dependent on a few Silicon Valley giants, that message was worth a fortune.
So the valuation wasn't just for the team's resume. It was for the audacity of the strategy itself. But could they actually deliver a model that could compete?
That was the next test. And just a few months later, they released their first model, Mistral 7B. And the results were shocking.
Better than GPT-4?
No, and that's the genius of it. It wasn't trying to be. It was small, efficient, and critically, it outperformed every other open-source model of its size. It ran on a single, affordable GPU. For the first time, a developer or a small company could run a genuinely powerful AI model without paying a fortune to a tech giant.
So they found a different niche. Not the biggest, but the most practical and accessible. And because it's open, the entire community starts improving it, building on it, and integrating it into their products for free.
Exactly. It created a grassroots movement. VCs saw that potential. They also saw the geopolitical angle. Europe was desperate for a homegrown AI champion to avoid becoming a digital colony of the US. Mistral became Team Europe.
A combination of an elite team, a brilliant counter-strategy, and perfect market timing. That's the $260 million formula.
The Mistral story isn't just a wild startup tale. It's a signal about where the real value in the AI economy lies.
It's not in the code, because they gave that away. It's in the people who can create it.
Right. First, it shows that proven talent is the single most valuable commodity. Arthur Mensch's time at DeepMind was his collateral. For professionals watching, your track record, the difficult projects you've led, the value you've created, is now more bankable than ever. Your resume is your pitch deck.
Second, it proves that you don't have to out-muscle the giants. You can outthink them. Mistral didn't try to build a bigger GPT-4. They identified a strategic weakness in the market, the fear of vendor lock-in, and targeted it relentlessly.
So, for anyone in business, the question isn't how can we copy OpenAI? It's what problem are the AI giants creating or ignoring? That's where the $250 opportunities are hiding. So, is this a sign of a brilliant new era for AI, or the biggest venture capital bubble we've ever seen? Let us know your take in the comments. We've just decoded how an elite team and a clever strategy can be worth $250 million before a product even exists. It's a playbook built on talent, timing, and a deep understanding of market fear. If you want to stay ahead of these trends, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. In our next video, we're investigating how AI is starting to replace junior roles in finance and law, and what you need to do to protect your career. That's the signal in the noise. AI Decoded.